What are you up to now?
Best out of waste, zero waste living, compost, wet waste management, go green, recycle, water conservation through waste management. You want to know how?
How?
Come with me.
Simply choose a place in the corner of your garden, or if you're comfortable in the middle of your garden. But I have chosen a corner because it is not under direct sunlight, plus the roof will protect it from rain. So some layer of soil so that the pipe can fit inside it, so that it doesn't move, and simply push it the way I am doing it. Cover it with some leaves, see that it is tightly placed, and then you begin your composting process.
We'll just take a look around so people know that we are in the garden and we are not somewhere in the backyard or in the house. All that we have done is, you can take a closer look here, Anirudh. We have drilled holes to it. So I am going to tell you to do aerobic composting out of PVC pipe, and that's the reason I have made holes here. Now, this type of composting is where you have lot of holes. You keep it away from sunlight. You keep it away from rain also. So there is a protector here. It will not get wet in the rain or soggy in the rain, and it has a lot of aeration because it is outside the house, and it has a lot of holes here. So treat it like a regular compost bin. So the first thing that goes into the aerobic bin, put a lot of brown waste. In my case, I'm going to put brown leaf crushed. You can add coco peat, and you can also add shredded cardboard. So here, my cardboard, this goes inside. The green waste, in here, this case I have chosen waste from my kitchen, that is today's waste which I generated into this. Brown waste, green waste, layering technique, and then you add something to start it. You can add EM solutions, ready-made inoculated bacteria, coco peat inoculated with bacteria. You can add sour buttermilk, cow dung also. But what I'm going to add is homemade compost, which I harvested just yesterday. This is what ready compost looks like. It smells great, and it is organic, has a lot of bacteria which will help start this process. Have compost. If you don't have any starter, you can use some soil from your garden which does not have any chemicals in it. Here we go. Just so that there are no animals or pests going inside it, you take a colander and just cover it up like this. So anaerobic digester, you don't have a composter, you don't have a bin, you don't have a lot of things, you can still take this and you can compost in your garden. Because it has so many holes, it will not stink, it will not smell, and the leachate will come and get collected here. This will also fertilize your plants or whatever here, soil present here, and this space can be used entirely for growing flowers or plants of your choice.